Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Iris Arrington with Ideally Simple Decor. I am going to take these beautiful glasses and I'm going to make the etching on these glasses a sparkling gold glitter. And this is also going to be part of my 2021 Christmas table decor. All right, I got my glass laying down and I'm going to try to put this on as quickly as possible because I don't want it to dry before I can get my sparkly on there. And I'm just trying to put it only on the etching that's on the glass. I don't put too much because I want it to be the shape of the etching on here. Alrighty, pretty quick. Let me do this big piece here. Alrighty. All right, let me sprinkle my gold over top of that. And sprinkle my champagne gold. That's what I'm going to have in my dining room. Champagne gold. Let's sprinkle that over top of that. And it's not really wanting to come out, does it? There it goes. Okay. I am going to let that dry before I sweep off all of the excess on that. So I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to do another glass and keep going just like that. Put it on, let it dry, brush it off, stamp it off and keep going. That's pretty. Okay. I think I've got all the etching on this done. There are a few spots that I want to just remain open. Like you can see this little area right here. I want them to stay that way. I'm not going to put any gold there. Put a little glue right there. That's going to keep that connected. There we go. I could probably sprinkle a little glitter there. There we go. Let that dry. The brush I'm using has a real fine tip to it. It's just like this brush here. It's got a real fine tip to it. And because I use it for glue, it's a little hard, which is good because it helps me to stay on those lines and not have the bristles so, you know, so flaring. If that's such something to say, or flaring. Don't want it to flare out. I want it to be as narrow as possible so I can use it on lines such as this. There we go. Again, I'm just gonna sprinkle some glitter on there. And this is my champagne glitter, like I said before. It's gonna match my plates in my dining room. All right, then you take the brush and lightly brush the glitter off. And there we go. That's really pretty. That's really, really pretty. Let me see if I got a glass that I haven't done yet. I can show you the difference. Look at that, how it just brings that glass out. Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. As I'm completing my glasses, I really want my flowers to stand out. So I try to get as much Mod Podge on there for them to be as bold as possible. The fine lines that are on here that I'm putting the glitter on is just a little bit more for the design. So if my flowers stand out, that's a plus. That's really what I want to happen. And the fine lines just sort of tie it all together. So if I don't get a line perfect, it's fine. I don't have to have it as thickly coated with the glitter as I'd want my flowers to be. Okay. So I've got fine lines here. Let's do my flower. So that's pretty. That just adheres to that. And try to get a little bit of this glitter off, and I'm going to do this fine line without disturbing the petals that I just did. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. There we go. Get these leaves done real quick and just add this glitter to it. There we go. Look at that, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Do I have all my flowers on this done? Looks like it. So I got everything done on this one. So I'll let it dry some more and we'll look at the finished product. All right, isn't that pretty? That is just gorgeous. They are just gorgeous. Now as I go through and brush off the excess glitter, there are areas where I want to add a little bit more glitter to. I just go ahead and do a touch up. Add my glue to it, set it aside, and, well, excuse me, add my glue to it, add the glitter, and set it aside and let it dry. So, do your little touch ups, make sure it's the way you want it to be. They're almost all dry here. I'll take me a light brush across them to get the excess glitter off. They turned out very nice. I really like my glasses. They turned out really, really nice. So this is part of my 2021 dining room decor for Christmas. I have champagne gold in there, and I'm creating my table decor this year, and I am sharing with you what I've created. So these are the glasses. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you coming to my channel and watching my videos. Please share them, and if you are here the first time, go ahead and subscribe so that you'll see any of the other videos that I put on. I'm on every Saturday and sometimes in between. There we go. Have a blessed day. Thank you.